Hi guys, we haven't done this type of video in a little. I've made it pretty far. I got this CUDA drag build. I'm not fully done with it. This was the first one that I was going to do, but it didn't make the top speed limit. It's still pretty fast. I maxed out at 160, I think, 165. We got my trailer. Sorry about the background noise. We're on vacation. Then this dirt bike. And here's my drag build right now that I'm going to be showing you guys how to build. Then we got the three-wheeler, big Ranger, trailer, and the thing that started it all. Alright, so first we're going to go to upgrades. And I spent about 200,000, I would say. Almost there. 170,000. But you don't need that much because I did mess up on a couple things. But upgrades just max out everything. Engine power, grip, weight. Everybody's telling you to go diesel. It doesn't work how they think it would. It works, but this is a little better. It doesn't meet the speed limits, but with the other ones, it doesn't either. It doesn't go as fast. But gearbox, you want manual. You have to have manual. E-brake, if you want an e-brake, I didn't install one. If you want like a drag drift build, get an e-brake. Tracks, don't get, of course. Blower, get a blower. It's better than a turbo because it has no lag. A turbo does. And yeah. So then what you're going to want to do, once you have all that, go to tuning, keep the suspension the same, but max it out right here. And I'll just let you guys look at this. Axis width, you're going to want it at 0, of course. Damping, 1000. Leaf spring, 0. Shocks, 0. Shock size, the lowest, 1.0. Spring brakes, 0. Stiffness, you're going to want it at around 10,000. Travel, I found out that 32 is better, and it's the same for the back. See, I put the stiffness in the back at a little more, but then the travel at the same. So I'll let you copy off of that real quick. And then wheels and tires, rim size, you're going to want it at 1.3. Wheel radius at 0.7, so they're small, the tires, but they're not super small. Wheel width at 1.0, and that's the same for all that. The gear tuning. This is what makes the car go. Not really, but first gear, you're going to want it at 1.5. Second gear, you're going to want it at 0.8. Third gear, 0.5. Fourth gear, 0.4. Fifth gear, 0.4. And low gear, you want it at 1.4. You don't have to do a dyno line if you don't want to. I don't. And then for the customizations, do whatever you want to do. It's not my choice. One thing I request or suggest you do is these tires. Because of course these are mudding, sand, and these are kind of mudding, but you're gonna want these tires. They're street tires, and that's really it. I'll show you guys. I'm pretty sure the top speed is oops. And guys, go check out my roleplay map if you want to. But it's pretty fast. Okay, so you guys were not able to hear me during this clip, so I have to do a stupid voiceover. But what happens is all you have to do is just put it in low gear, and four-wheel drive, and just shift, and like once your speedometer hits red. So coming up here, I am right about now. See, I try to turn over, but it doesn't work out very good. And yeah, that's what happens. So you gotta be careful with turning. Yeah, hope this helps. And right now I'm just trying to reach the top speed limit. But yeah, that's really it. So, hope you guys liked the video. Be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah. About now, I'm just talking and just telling you guys, hope you liked the video and stuff like that. So, peace. Have a good day.